Your body camera's on. Why are you so nervous?
I'm not nervous.
September 28th, 2025. Hampton Hotel. Officers respond to a domestic disturbance call. A woman at a hotel, a man who ordered an Uber for her, and a situation that hasn't turned violent yet. But the man standing in that parking lot wants officers to understand something. He knows exactly how dangerous he is. And he intends to spend the next several minutes explaining it in detail on body camera to their faces.
Hey boss, what's going on?
What's up, Fred?
What's going on, man?
That's it.
Everything okay?
Oh, yeah. She's gonna go wherever you want to take her.
Please.
Okay. Yeah, I can
That's
take you
it.
somewhere.
There's no domestic, so if you want to make it domestic, we can do
I didn't
that.
say there was.
All right, so then what are you pulling up for?
Because someone called, said there
Who
was someone out here
called?
yelling.
Who called? Who called? Who
Stop.
The front desk.
The front desk? What's up?
Is he good to stay here or no?
No. He's gotta get his things.
Back.
He's gotta get his
I'm
things.
taking her car.
She is not safe.
She's not safe?
I bought this car. I bought this Uber right here for her. She needs to go in.
You bought that Uber?
They need to go a different location.
Then I got her keys.
Are you fine with him
She
taking it?
asked me to get that Uber for her. She came down.
Officer, I don't know what you're doing, but
Don't touch me.
hey,
Hey,
don't touch me either. You're cornering my space. What are you talking about? I know what you're doing.
And you're under arrest.
You touch me and you corner my space, you're under
I'm not
my
cornering
authority.
your space.
What are you
I'm
talking
getting
about?
between you
You're
and
cornering
him.
my space. I'm gonna tell you again.
Listen.
You corner my space, it's
Hey.
gonna go difficult for you. What are you talking
There's
about?
you're gonna be arrested.
Well, hey, I'm telling you right now.
Listen.
I'm with it.
There's zero reason.
And there is
to have
zero
an issue.
reason. Why is your officer cornering me then?
Because you're walking around a lot.
What do you mean? I didn't walk
Just
nowhere. I
stand-
walked
okay.
here.
Between you and
Okay.
him.
What do you mean?
Back up.
All right, go ahead. Step between him. 'Cause he's so
you got
scary.
my
All right, there
car
you go.
keys.
You got his demeanor, right? You got his demeanor, right? I'm well aware of what I'm doing. Y'all got me f***ed up.
Can you just
I'm
stop
well
for a
aware of what
second?
I'm doing.
Okay,
She's
that's
in
fine.
no danger.
Can you just stop for a second?
I will
Stand?
stop when
Okay.
you guys f***ing stop.
We're trying to calm the situation, and you're getting all amped up.
It is right here.
And she can't. This is it right here.
Hey, this
She
is
came
it
down.
right
Are you
here.
ready to
Right,
go
yeah,
now?
because we just pulled up like this right
You have
here.
everything you need. Do you want to go in this Uber?
No, she doesn't. She's just lying.
Okay, give me 1 second to
I
talk
will
to her.
let you give her 1 second.
Can
She's
you
just
step
lying
over here,
about
ma'am?
it. No, you want me to fucking act like I'm not acting like I'm acting right now because you got me acting like I'm acting right now. So keep acting like it's a fucking front. Sir, you think I want to be like this with you? You think I want to be like this with these motherfuckers? I'm telling you guys right now, I'm a mixed martial artist.
Here is what he says on camera to working police officers, that he is a mixed martial artist, unregistered, and fully capable of disarming them and shooting them with their own weapons. He says it more than once. He says it calmly. He makes sure they know the body camera is recording when he says it. In Illinois, threatening a public official is a felony. The camera was on the whole time, including while he said that.
I'm not registered either, so go ahead and prove what I put you in the hospital for. And that's no threat.
you
I
don't-
put that on your body camera. You
Said
think
you don't want
I'm...
to act like this.
I don't want to act like this.
Don't.
And I'm trying not to.
You're in
So
control of your
don't
own-
f***ing put your demeanor as if you're going to control me and have any aspect on the way the situation goes.
What's your relationship to him? Is this your boyfriend, or do you want to go with him? Obviously, you guys can't drive, right? Because
I can drive.
We'll see about that.
I can drive.
You can't-
I am
sir, you're-
physically
you're way-
well aware of a drive. Just because I'm
You're
mad,
way too
just
intoxicated.
because I'm mad doesn't mean I'm intoxicated.
Are you willing to blow in a PBT to prove that
Hey,
you're
I'm
willing
telling
to
you
drive?
right no, I'm not going to blow nothing for you guys because that's how you guys... that doesn't mean
No,
I can't
you
drive.
can't be arrested for DUI if you're not
Exactly.
driving.
You guys have to pull me over afterwards to arrest me for DUI.
So we're just saying if you want to...
So catch me when I leave this property.
I don't want to do that.
I know you won't do that because you'll go about your way and go about your business because I'm telling you right now, this is longevity, brother. I've known her since she was 14. If I would already do something, I would already done it. You guys would already been in a situation where you already could have handled.
What do you
And
want
that's
to
no
happen?
threat. That's a promise.
What do you want to happen?
I want you guys to leave. What are you guys here for? Her, right? That's right here for me. I didn't call you. I didn't call you guys. I don't need help from you. I'm used to CPD coming at gunpoint.
Well, we're not CPD.
Exactly. So what the f*** is the situation then?
Security called us.
What's the situation, brother?
You're yelling.
I'm used to Hey, I'm yelling because you guys aren't understanding me. Do I have to sit for you guys to have you feel a little more comfortable, even though you guys are still in the same situation that you were before? Because I could disarm you and shoot you with your own pistol as same way I could do whether it was different, right? You guys don't understand that. I'm not registered, f***ers, and I have lawyer money, so play with me.
Okay. We're not trying to
You're
fight
on
with
camera. I'm on camera, and I know this.
Okay.
I will shoot him dead
We're
and
not
you dead
trying
and
to
him
fight
dead.
with you.
Keep playing with me.
Let's just.
I'm telling y'all right now, I'll shoot that motherfucker dead too.
Why
Because that's
why
gonna
are
be
you
sitting
saying
there.
that?
Because that's
Because
how
why?
synthetic I am. Y'all don't understand where I'm from. I might be white, but I ain't an ordinary white guy.
You want to go upstairs and go back to your room?
Ryan,
Ryan?
run it.
Right.
Run it, and you'll see my fucking juvenile record, and you won't be fucking approaching me like you were. You'll be gun strong. Bro, I'm a union carpenter.
Okay,
Why the f would I risk my career for you?
I'm not going to arrest you just because you go on a PV.
You.
It's
The
to
other
make
officer
sure-
will.
Okay.
You know I'm drunk,
He's not even
bro.
supposed to
You
be
know
here.
I'm drunk, bro. I'm not gonna allow to
that's
stay
why-
here. Where the f am I gonna go, bro? Man, bro, I don't like this other officer. Yeah. The fact that he's circling me, bro, I don't like it. Don't circle me, brother.
I just showed up.
I don't give a f if he's showing up.
I just showed up.
If he's a supervisor, then you should be talking to me. You're sergeant, right?
Step back.
Hey,
Ryan.
he's fine.
Hey,
He's fine.
Don't.
He's f***ing fine.
Ryan.
I'm telling you, you're fine in my
Step back.
demeanor, bro.
Step
I'm not
back.
gonna
Step
do
back.
nothing. Why are you so nervous?
I don't, because I'm not going to let you get in my face.
Why? If I wanted
Because
to,
I'm
I'd
smart.
already disarmed you and shot this nigga with his own pistol. With your own pistol.
Back up,
I'm
dude.
being fine, bro. Hey,
Back up.
The fact that you're cornering me, I don't like it. I'm telling y'all right now.
Ryan.
I'm telling y'all.
All we need to do
Hey, and
is
this
just
didn't go
grab the
how
stuff
y'all
and leave
want
us.
it.
Hey,
I'm telling y'all to de-escalate.
we're
And
trying to
y'all are trying to
de-escalate.
escalate. You countering and him circling me.
What are
You
you
being
talking
the
about?
sergeant.
You're screaming, bro.
Hey, because why?
Chill, dude.
Because why? I'm trying to
Chill.
chill. You're starting
Chill.
to circle me. I'm trying
Chill,
to tell you
dude.
to chill, and you're touching me. I'm
Chill.
letting you chill.
I don't let people get in my
Your
face.
body camera's on. Why
Yeah,
are
I
you so
know.
nervous?
I'm not nervous,
Why are you
dude.
so nervous?
I don't let people
you're
get that close to
touching
me.
I don't give a f-
All we
Back
need to
up.
I'm white.
Back up.
I'm white.
Me too.
I'm
Okay.
white.
What's your point?
What's
Back
up, brother?
up.
What's up,
Back
dude? I'm a
up.
union carpenter.
Back up,
I'm a
dude.
union carpenter,
I'm
bro.
telling you, back up.
Pull out your taser, then.
Back
you
up.
scary.
All we need to do is grab your stuff. And
What
leave.
stuff?
That's it. Whatever's in the room.
My wallet?
Sure.
Exactly,
That's
dude.
it.
I'm
That's
trying to
it.
tell you, bro.
Tell me what.
From the start.
Okay, tell me what.
I've been trying to leave. She wants to leave. I want to leave too.
That's great. That's
She
all
wants
we
to
need.
flip my f***ing world like every other goddamn day. You guys don't understand who this girl is.
Ryan.
And your sergeant's here and he's walking away from
Listen,
y'all.
he's going to talk to security.
Don't let him get y'all hurt.
Just going to talk to
I'm
security.
trying to let y'all go.
Okay.
Hey, security don't
Let's
even know
just-
how to handle me. Why
They
y'all
probably
here?
don't. They probably don't.
I'm not trying to do this.
Let's just go grab your stuff and be done.
Then come with me.
Sure. Let's
wanna
go.
come with me?
Sure.
No, you're not going to come.
All right, I'll stay out here.
You are going to stay out here.
That's fine.
Because
Let's
there's
just
no
go
other
grab your
officer needed. Because if I wanted to go how I wanted to
I'll
go,
stay out
and
here.
look it, I'll put my hands behind my back.
All right, I
y'all want to
appreciate
feel fucking safe?
You're good. You want to go with them?
You
to
see
grab
that
your
9mm?
stuff? You want to grab? You want to
I
go
seen
with?
that
You
9mm.
wanna go?
I run towards gun shows.
Okay. Do you want to go with him to grab your stuff?
No, I don't.
Your
I
stuff's
wanna
in there.
talk
He's got to go.
Nah, maybe I want to talk to you because you don't want to understand what the situation is because you just
Ryan,
pulled up.
you got to back up.
Hey, you just
gotta
pulled
back up.
All right, I'll back up. You guys
Okay.
don't understand. I ain't your ordinary white guy. All right? I'm from the hood. I'm from CPD pulling up on me at gunpoint.
We get that.
No, you guys ain't already at gunpoint.
Well, we're not going
No, why
Hey,
not?
fine.
I'd have
Hey,
felt more
questions are not.
comfortable. I would have felt more comfortable.
we can't.
Isn't that f***ed up? Isn't that f***ed up? You were taking my demeanor differently because I'm some punk white boy, right?
No, it's not true.
Nah, f***
Doesn't-
you. Fuck you, dude. You been looking at me some punk motherfucker like you always come
What are you-
across. Man, I already know it.
All right.
You're not looking at me some union carpenter of 13 years, right?
What
I
does that have
built
to
this
do-
fucking building.
What does that have to do with anything?
Exactly.
What does that have to do with anything?
What do you mean what's
We're
that to do
trying-
with anything? You should
you're
take
being
me serious
crazy.
right now. I'm being
You're acting
crazy ass
crazy.
because why?
I don't know why you're being crazy,
Because
bro.
the cops are here. Two of your officers get disarmed, shot with their own pistols, right?
Back up, dude.
Officers ask him to identify himself. He refuses. They tell him he is being charged with disorderly conduct. He argues that he has been cooperating. But there is a gap between what this man thinks cooperation looks like and what the law requires. Threatening officers, refusing to identify, blocking an active investigation that is not cooperation. That is the checklist for a disorderly conduct charge. officers move toward an arrest.
I'm telling you right now, hey, I'm in your demeanor, right? I'm not disarming you, right?
I want space.
I'm not registered. So even if I wanted to prove it, I got lawyer money. I don't give a brother.
Why?
Because that's how I am. That's my demeanor. You guys don't understand. I can disarm you fuckers and shoot you point blank.
We don't want that.
You think I want to go for this man right away?
Okay, listen.
You think I care about your body cams?
Here's what we need to do.
Okay.
You think I don't distance it right
We're
now?
gonna find
Like
out.
right now. And you guys understand, I've been on with this before.
Ryan.
I knocked you the out and go for you, and these two would be stuck.
Ryan.
Even though he would go for the pistol right away. I already know his demeanor.
We're gonna have
You
to
would go for that
cuff him
pistol
up.
over that fucking sandwich.
We gotta find out who he
You would
is.
go for that pistol over
You
that
know, we're past that point.
Ryan.
That's it.
You would
We're
go
past
for that
point.
pistol over that taser, right?
So when you're ready,
I know.
when
That's
you're
the
ready,
only reason why. Because if I didn't knock
Alright.
you two out and
Listen.
take your fucking strap.
you're getting charged with disorderly conduct.
Hey, I'm
Getting charged with disorderly conduct.
How? I
and you're
haven't
getting-
done anything.
Look at you.
What are you talking about?
You're
I'm telling you
screaming
guys
and
how it
causing a scene.
could be.
Okay, you're getting charged. You're getting charged with disorderly conduct.
Brother.
You understand?
Brother,
Okay,
I'm
you're gonna be
telling you
trespassing
right
here.
now, I'm being fine and I'm trying to leave. You
Either-
guys are holding me in the
Either cooperate with us, or you're going to jail.
Bad.
Cooperate with us, or we're going to
Shake
get you
my
in jail.
fucking hand then.
I'm not shaking your hand.
You will shake my hand.
I won't shake your hand.
Why not?
That's
Why
what I
not?
do.
Because you don't believe me?
You want a fist bump? We'll fist
No,
bump.
we won't fist bump. That's some shit. You will shake my fucking hand like the carpenter I am.
Is that going to make you cooperate?
No fucking shit. Why am I asking you to shake my?
right.
Are you serious
Shake my
right
hand
now?
then.
No, you.
All right. So you're going to cooperate or no?
Are you serious? You're the sergeant. You want to shake my hand?
I said
know
I'll shake your hand.
lieutenants
I
that'll
said I'll
my-
shake your hand.
After I fucking told you how I would be. Are you serious right now?
What do I have to do to get you to cooperate?
Hey, that's all you worried about?
What?
That's all you're worried about?
Yes,
That's all you're
'cause we
fucking
want
worried
to
about?
get you. We
You
want
sound
to
like
get
a
you.
bitch.
That's fine. Call me whatever you want.
No, I don't want to call you.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
So here's what we want to do.
I'm gonna tell you
Okay.
right now.
Listen.
Right goddamn now.
Ryan.
I'm not trying to be on any bullshit. I don't want to take your life. You think I don't want you to go home to your
Calm down,
kids?
brother. Calm down.
You don't think I want you to go home
right.
to your kids?
Are you going to cooperate with us?
I will cooperate.
Okay. We want.
I will leave.
No.
I will leave.
We need to find out who you are.
Yo, you don't need to identify shit. You don't need to identify shit. I feel bad for y'all. But this is all y'all want to do.
Yes, I know we want to.
No, this is all y'all want to do. So go ahead and do what you gotta do. Hey.
Don't.
Guys.
With the fight.
Hands behind your back, all right?
Guys, chill. I am doing what you're asking.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. We're not doing that.
Stop fighting! Stop fighting! Slow down. Everybody slow down.
Put your hand behind your back.
Hey,
Put your
grab
hands
this arm.
behind your back.
I'm gonna grab his wrist.
Come on, quit resisting.
Guys, I'm not resisting. I'm trying to tell you right now. Undo that fucking cuff on my left wrist. Undo that fucking cuff on my left wrist. You guys are so fucking stupid. I've been cooperating this whole fucking time. Yeah, get me up.
Hold on.
Come on. Yeah, I'll get up my
Watch your feet.
Yeah, you. Yeah, go ahead, stand me up. You little guys on a floor.
Stop. You damage something, I'm gonna catch a felon.
He fights the arrest drunk in a hotel parking lot mid-struggle, still explaining to the officers pinning him down that they have fundamentally misjudged who he is. The final charges, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and criminal trespass from the property. He delivered the threats himself on camera. He resisted the arrest himself on camera. The body camera he kept referencing, the one he looked directly into, caught all of it.